Find a straight bar that's wide enough for your body. This one is wide for a wider body, so you keep your hands right by your side. Then there's ones that aren't as long, so you can use those if you're a little thinner. Not a problem. We're going to use this one for her because she's a little thin. Here we go. Step forward. Be about half a foot from the cable. You're going to turn your hands and have your palms facing upward. Shoulders back and down. Feet, knee, hip, all lined up. You want to keep your arms perfectly perpendicular to the floor. Go ahead, go all the way down. Look at her wrists. They're not moving back and forth. They're nice and straight. You want to come up to only 90 degrees, right there, and then come all the way down. If you pass 90 degrees, it takes pressure off of the inner head of the tricep, puts pressure in the bicep. We don't want that right now. We're trying to work that inner head of the tricep. We want to work the forearm. Face, she's looking nice and straight. Her neck is tight. Look at her back. It's nice and tight. She's not bending her knees back and forth. She's not waddling around. She's keeping that core tight. Breathe in on the way up, blow out on the way down.